What's the plan now that we defeated the big bad?
I think it's premature to celebrate.
Don't think you realized it yet.
Appreciate you putting your life on the line, but you gotta snap out of it.
Wait, snap out of what?
Chai, you totally got caught by Korsica.
You mean...
Oi! 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 Did you fall asleep again?
Am I under oath?
I'll make this simple. Tell me where the rest of your team is hiding.
Why don't you shut down that AI for me? Then we'll talk.
What's this obsession with Spectra, anyway? You want to know what it is? It's a simple firmware update, like we have on all our robotics.
Sounds like someone hasn't seen the code or whatever. It's a mind control AI.
Or whatever.
Oh, right! I forgot. You're the only boss without full access to Spectra. Maybe you should look into that.
I'm too tired for this. Take a nap and get the Spectra nonsense out of your system. First thing tomorrow's your last chance to come clean.
Get the Spectre nonsense out of your system. I'll show her. Just gotta find a way out. Man, 808's never around when you... Huh? Huh? 808! I knew you wouldn't let me down.
All right. I mean, surprised as I am, your plan worked, Chai.
Really?
This is called reciprocity.
So, what do we do now?
Might want to start with getting out of that cell.
Let's make some noise.
Karma.
So, now where were we? Peppermint, mission report.
Is that code for Chai forgot the plan again?
Mr. Chai, listening is also a part of communication.
Hey, I'm doing my best, okay?
We need Korsica's password.
This is good, good. Go on.
And since you're in security now...
Wait, I got it! I should find Korsica.
Ugh, just go! See if you can figure out where she went.
Scanning. Authentication failed. Engaging security lasers.
Looks like Zanzo's lasers made it here.
Attention, this is Korsica. There's some sort of security destabilization in Wing 1. I have something else requiring my attention right now. Send whatever repair units we have over there to fix it.
Hey, you over there. You the one they sent? You gonna fix the security probs?
Security problem?
You heard the boss. Wait, why they sending Project Armstrong subjects to fix the security system?
What? You don't know me? I'm
Shut up and play along.
here to fix the security thing.
Good, cause no one's getting out of here till that's done. Central elevator won't even move until security nodes are connected.
Yes, you gotta have those security codes for sure.
Nodes, man, not codes. Anyways, 3 rooms of them in here. Guess you might as well get on getting.
That elevator in front of you connects us to the lift, which takes us to Korsica's wing. Guess we got a job to do.
First node's across the elevator. You'll need to power that one up to access the other 2 up top.
Hard labor. Not my jam. Do I really have to do this?
Please do not forget, you will be mind-controlled, not us.
Perspective, little guy. We take Korsica's password, and we're halfway there.
3 more Vandalay bosses means 3 passwords. Then we can turn off Spectra.
3 plus 3 is 6, Peppermints. I can do math. I'm not dumb.
Despite the confusing directions, all security lasers have been installed. Though they do not turn on, I must say, 'tis a good job.
Figures there'd be security and security. Peppermint, come on!
Try this out.
No problem, guys.
Try this out!
Oh, that's all.
Try this out! So, these are the notes?
Looks like they're out of sync.
I can probably lock their data streams in place with my blaster when the spheres open up.
Peppermint, your turn!
Let's go!
Peppermint,
Light 'em up!
here we go!
Go get 'em, Chai!
Peppermint,
Need help?
try this out!
You called?
Bingo! Should be another one. Pick it up!
Light 'em up!
Peppermint, your turn! I could probably knock that last one in gear. I did it!
Really? You got everything connected?
But of course I couldn't have done it without you.
Just get back to the main room. There are still 2 more nodes to activate.
The lasers do in fact work. However, they...
road. Should be able to get to the other two now.
2 routes? Take your pick, little guy.
I set up some guides to the nodes, but man, all these platforms look the same. Whoever designed this place is getting a piece of my mind.
Try this out!
Let's go!
Oh, you see this route? How am I even supposed to get up there? I'm sure this is one of those it'll work itself out problems.
You know, I don't think Korsica's like the other bosses.
Meaning...
She's less insane. Also, she seemed genuinely surprised when I said Spectra is an AI built for mind control.
Yeah, I noticed that too.
She didn't immediately try to kill you. Unusual compared to the other bosses.
I don't see why they'd keep the head of security in the dark about Spectra. Not unless management doesn't trust her?
Peppermint, come on!
Try this out.
Pick it up! Here we go!
Yeah,
Peppermint, come on!
light 'em up.
Peppermint!
Need help?
Laser's blocked.
I got that one.
Here we go!
Try this out.
Peppermint, come on!
Come on.
Your turn, Peppermint!
Light 'em up.
There we go.
Do not forget, Mr. Chai, there is still another node. We can access it back in the main room.
Check this out.
Need help?
Peppermint!